Ever look at your messy desk and think there has to be a more elegant way to keep all my devices charged? I know I have. For the longest time I would hoard cables, plugs, little charging bricks everywhere, and it just felt chaotic. But to be honest, I like my devices charged and not empty. However, let me show you a nice little travel companion that I started using on a daily basis, whether it's in my home setup or when I'm out and about, like in a hotel room. This is the CryoBoost Foldable 3-in-1 magnetic charging station. This thing isn't just a charger, it's a portable hub. One could say a pocket monster. It powers my phone, my AirPods and my Apple Watch. Everything, everywhere, all at once. Okay, enough with the references. It kinda designs practicality, design and technology into one sleek station. No more clutter, no more hunting for cables or adapters. The first thing I noticed about the CryoBoost is that it comes fully equipped right out of the box. You don't have to dig through drawers for extra cables or adapters. It includes the foldable station itself, the charging cable and the wall plug. It has a satisfying weight that makes it feel solid without being bulky. And because it's foldable, it's insanely portable. You can toss it in a bag, slide it into a drawer or carry it with you on the go without any hassle. It fits any workflow I throw at it. At my desk, it sits neatly without taking up space. On my nightstand, it's unobtrusive yet fully functional. And when I travel, it folds down and goes with me. Just grab and go. Design-wise, it's a perfect match for my minimalistic black and white setup. Clean, modern, and maybe even aesthetic. As someone who's really into EDC, everyday carrier, I need my tools to be ready the moment I reach for them. My phone, my AirPods, my Apple Watch, these aren't just gadgets. They're essentials I rely on every day, and the CryoBoost makes using them effortless. Also with induction charging, I don't have to worry about tangled cables or loose ports. It works via magnets to transfer energy wirelessly, so your devices just sit on the pad and start charging. No cables, no plugs, and it won't harm your devices. And that's the thing, right? I don't have to care about port types anymore. Myself as an iPhone lighting type of guy, it doesn't matter if my friends come over with their new fancy USB-C phones, they can use it as well. As long as they support induction charging, they're lightly covered as well. Although I will touch on compatibility at the end of this video briefly. And by the way, the Apple Watch module is MFI certified, so it's officially approved by Apple for safe and reliable charging. One of the things that really stand out about the CryoBoost is its minimal footprint. Folded flat, it's only 15.8 millimeters high, so it barely takes up any space on your desk or nightstand. But it's not just small, it's smart. The design is flexible, giving you options depending on what you need to charge. If it's just your phone, you can leave it flat and just put a single device on top. Need to touch your AirPods? Flip out a section and they sit perfectly in place. Got an Apple Watch? There's another fold just for that. It's modular without being complicated. You only use what you need. And the little details make a big difference. Rubber knobs on the bottom keep it from scratching your surface. The phone angle adjusts anywhere from 0 to 75 degrees, portrait or landscape, so you can glance at messages or check your calendar while it's charging. In fact, this way it can even double as a mini desk display showing your watch or calendar while your device powers up. It's a thoughtful design that keeps your workspace functional and clean at the same time. What really sets its charging station apart is the CryoBoost technology. It has active cooling fans built right into it. While your device is charged, the fans keep them cool, which means faster charging and less heat stress on your devices. There is a slight hum from the fans, but a sleep mode that you can enable on the device's side quiets them down for nighttime use, so it won't disturb while you rest. Performance-wise, it's impressive. An iPhone 16, for example, goes from 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes, while the iPhone 16 Pro takes around 30 minutes. Most Apple Watches can reach roughly 80% in just 30 minutes. Which is plenty to keep up with your day. Compatibility is broad too. It works with the iPhone 12 and later, except 16e, and all Apple Watches from S1 to S10, including the Ultra Watch 2 and Ultra, and AirPods 1, 2, 3, Pro and 4 with ANC. However, I recommend checking out ESR's website for the full list. One important note is that since it's induction and magnet based, it works best with magnetic cases under 2 millimeters. Non-magnetic, oddly shaped or metal cases might not work, but when it does, it's seamless, cool, fast, reliable, which makes it a standout in everyday use. At the end of the day, the CryoBoost 3-in-1 magnetic charger is for anyone who values minimalism, efficiency and sleek intentional design. Is it for you? I mean, it reduces cable clutter, consolidating multiple chargers into one clean station. It's portable and versatile, whether you're at home, in the office or traveling. The CryoBoost cooling technology not only speeds up charging but keeps devices safe and future-proof, and it also looks good. So yes, maybe this is the charging station you're looking for. Maybe not. But if so, make sure to check out the link in the description for more information on how it could improve your workspace. With that being said, thank you so much for watching until the very end, and I will see you guys in the next one.